Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Intuit QuickBooks, which is QuickBooks setup for multiple users and access. Getting your team into QuickBooks is essential for efficiency, but you need to set it up right. I've gone through this process myself, and the key takeaway is that your setup depends entirely on which QuickBooks version you use, desktop or online. If you are using QuickBooks Online, the multi-user setup is simple because it's cloud-based. You don't need a server or any complex networking. Check your subscription. First, you need a plan that supports the number of users you need. For example, QuickBooks Online Plus supports up to 5 users, while Advanced supports up to 25. Add users and roles. As the admin, you go to the gear icon and then Manage Users. You simply invite your team members by email. The most critical step here is setting their user roles. This determines what they can and cannot see or do, like limiting a sales rep to only invoicing and a bookkeeper to everything but payroll. This is the best practice for internal controls. Now, if you're using QuickBooks Desktop, the setup is more technical. This is where your computer network comes into play. Designate a host computer. Your company file needs to live on one central computer or server. This is your host computer. Install the Database Server Manager. On the host computer, you must install the QuickBooks Database Server Manager. This is what allows other computers, the client workstations, to access the company file simultaneously. Enable multi-user access. On the host, you go to the File menu and select Switch to multi-user mode. You must be the admin to do this. Install on workstations. Then, on each user's workstation, you install the QuickBooks application. They will connect to the company file over your local network. Set up users and permissions. Just like with online, you, as the admin, must go to company. Then set up users and roles. This is where you create individual logins with strong passwords and specify their access rights to protect your sensitive financial data. Whether you use desktop or online, the golden rule remains. Restrict access to only what each user needs to do their job. This prevents accidental errors and maintains security. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.